Experiencing Ethernet connection problems with your Lenovo docking station? You're not alone. Let's quickly diagnose the common culprits. First, check the physical connection. Ensure your Ethernet cable is securely plugged into both the dock and your network port. A damaged cable can also be the issue, so test with a known working one. Next, power cycle the dock by disconnecting and reconnecting it. If the link lights on the dock's Ethernet port don't illuminate, the problem likely lies within the dock, drivers, or network settings. Outdated or incompatible Ethernet drivers are a frequent cause. Also, consider power delivery. Ensure the dock receives sufficient wattage, 65 watts or higher, to prioritize networking over charging. Finally, rule out basic network issues by ensuring your DHCP is enabled and assigning IP addresses correctly. Start by updating your Ethernet drivers. Use Lenovo Vantage to automatically install the latest drivers or manually download them from Lenovo's support website. After updating, restart your computer. If the problem persists, troubleshoot network stack issues. In Windows, reset your network settings via Settings, Network and Internet, Status, Network Reset. Next, check for firmware updates for your dock using Lenovo Vantage. Firmware v1.25 for the Gen 2 dock addresses intermittent LAN drops on Windows 11 systems. For macOS users, ensure you have compatible drivers, potentially from third-party repositories if Apple Silicon compatibility issues arise. Finally, if none of these steps work, try disabling Thunderbolt security in BIOS or using a powered USB hub, which can bypass power delivery problems. Contact Lenovo support if hardware failure is suspected, especially if your dock is from a potentially faulty batch. Check serial numbers.